Hi everyone, it's Terry here from nutsaboutsstamping.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a really pretty birthday card idea with the help of the Perennial Birthday stamp set and a new pack of designer series paper called Flowering Foils Specialty Paper. This paper is free with a $50 or €60 purchase through the end of March 31st, or as supplies last. Let me show you the paper first. I just did a Facebook Live and posted it over on my Facebook account, obviously, showing you this paper, introducing you to the paper, and walking you through the second release Sale-a-Bration catalog. And I promised in that Facebook Live that I would use this design in the paper for my card today. So that's precisely what I'm going to do. My card base is Bermuda Bay. I've cut it 8.5 by 5.5 and scored it on the 4 1/4 mark. And my card is going to be a portrait layout. And then to that, I am going to add a layer of basic black. I love the combination of basic black and Bermuda Bay. I just think they're standout when you put them together. So I'll put this layer on right now, and then I'm going to set this aside for a bit, and I am going to show you a technique that you can do with the Flowering Foils designer series paper. First thing I'm going to do is bring in a scrap piece of grid paper. As you can tell, I use it for all sorts of messy things. And I want to introduce to you our little foam brayer pack. So you get 2 of the sticks inside and 4 of the foam pieces. And what I'm going to do is bring in my Bermuda Bay ink, and I'm going to brayer the color over top of the Flowering Foils layer. So that's one of the things that you can do with this paper, is you can actually color it. So I'm going to start off my paper and then come on, and that way I don't get a sort of a dark line of color. And I'm going to add some more. And I thought what I'd try and do is more of an ombre, you know, where you go from darker to lighter up the card, up the paper. So I'm going to roll back and forth. You don't have to apply a lot of pressure for this. And you just keep going over until you get the darkness that you desire. But I love the fact that it's from dark to light. Okay. And then let me take this messy grid paper off and then bring it a little bit closer so you can see it's darker towards the bottom and then lighter towards the top. And I think that's really pretty. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to attach it to my card base. Like so. Okay, and now I have a strip of Whisper White, and then from the Perennial Birthday stamp set, I've got the Happy Birthday phrase, and I'm going to bring back in my Bermuda Bay ink. I'm going to ink up the phrase, and I'm going to stamp it down. Like so. Great. And then I'm going to layer it onto a piece of basic black because I want the phrase to stand out. And one way to do that is to add a layer underneath. And since I've already used basic black for my card base, I thought it would be fun to add a layer underneath. Like so. And then I'm going to attach it to my card base. I think sort of in the middle. Or I could do it down below. Maybe I'll do it down below. you can play with it and you can layer it where you want it to be. Now, I also wanted to introduce to you the Metallic Baker's Twine Sequins Combo Pack. It's a really fun pack. You have some sequins and you have 2 little bolts of ribbon, metallic ribbon. There's the So Saffron and there's Bermuda Bay. So what I'm going to do is, to finish off my video after I've stopped recording, I'm going to add a strip of the metallic Bermuda Bay ribbon and tie it in a knot towards the top. And then I think what I'll do is I will see if I want to add some of these really cute sequins, and I think I will. I think I'll add a few of these really fun sequins and the ribbon to complete my card. I always love to finish off my projects by using some embellishments that I have on hand. And then what I'll do is I'll take a close-up photo of the card and I'll post it over on my blog, which is www.nutsaboutstamping.com. While you're on my blog, you can download the second release catalog in case you want to check out the additional products that are available with a qualifying purchase only till March 31st. You can also subscribe to my free newsletters. I send a newsletter each week and you won't see those projects anywhere else. And I'll also have a link to my online store in case you want to purchase the products I used to make this card so that you can make it at home too. I'm Terry. I am Nuts About Stamping. I hope you'll create something beautiful today too. Bye for now.